All right, ladies. So let's take these two numbers, 256 and 105. And, and let's find the sum. Now remember that sum means the answer to an addition problem. So first, let's draw a diagram. And we're going to draw a diagram on our whiteboards to demonstrate what sum means. So I'm going to draw a bar diagram. And I'm going to label the unknown quantity as x, and x is going to represent my sum. Okay. So I have 256 and I have 105, and what I need to do to find the sum is add them. So I'm going to take 256, I'm going to add that to 105 to find x, or my sum. I'm going to stack my numbers to help me find the sum. So to stack my numbers, I'm going to do the big number on top, which is 256, add 105. Now, when we perform a math equation, we start on the right-hand side of our problem and we move to the left-hand side. So we start in our ones column and we move over to our tens and then our hundreds column. So let's just take a look. Let's start by taking a look at our ones column here. So here's my ones. I have a 6 and a 5. So if I add 6 plus 5, I get 11. Now 11 has a 1 in the ones column, but 11 also has a 1 in the tens column. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write that 1 in my ones column down below, and I'm going to regroup that 1 in the tens column to my tens. So now I am able to move on to my tens column. Now in my tens column, I have a 1 plus 5 plus 0, which 1 plus 5 equals 6 plus 0 equals 6. So I have 6 in my tens column, which represents 60. However, because I don't have a number in my hundreds to regroup, I'm good. I can just keep moving on. So now I'm going to go into my hundreds column and I'm going to add those numbers. So I have 2 plus 1, which will give me 3. And because I didn't need to regroup because there was only a 3 in my hundreds column and there was nothing in my thousands column, I didn't need to regroup. So I'm going to now determine that it's time to stop, and I found my answer. So I found that the sum of 256 and 105 is 361.